Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to duet on TikTok. So if you want to duet a video on TikTok, then I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. So not recently actually, TikTok added an option to duet people a long time ago, and I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. So duet is when let me head over to the hashtags real quick. I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like when you duet somebody. As you can see, it's actually an original video with somebody adding onto it after that person uploaded the video. As you can see, there's what a duet looks like. There's one video on the right and a video on the left. It can be on a different video format than that, but it's basically just one person adding on to another video that a person has already made. There's also options to do it like with 3 people. I can't find any right now, but there is an option for 3 people. It can go to 4, 5, 6. I think there's an unlimited amount to how many times you can duet it. Here's one that has 3 people. But to actually duet a person, you're going to want to look for the video that you want to duet. So let's say I want to duet this anime edit right here. What you're going to want to do, you click on the share button in the bottom right corner, and on the bottom row of all the options, scroll until you find the option for duet. It should say duet right underneath the option, and it's 2 circles overlapping each other. Once you find the duet option, just click on it. It will bring you to this page here. This is the recording page where you can record the video for the duet. When you start recording, it'll start playing the video that you're duetting along with it. There's a lot of options here where you can like start where the video that you're duetting starts. You can switch it around by clicking on the switch option in the top right. And then there's a ton of options. You can change the format by clicking on the buttons right above the record button, as you can see here. And then you can also, if you want to react and talk while the duet is actually going, look for the mic option of all the options on the right of the screen. And then once you find the mic option, just click it once, and that will turn on your mic so you can actually talk while the duet is going. So once you do that, you can just record it. And once you're done recording, just click on the check mark and then click on next. Once you click on next, you just upload it like a normal video and just click post in the bottom right corner, and it will upload your duet to TikTok. Some videos do not allow you to actually duet them though, because the person that made the video turned off duets. So if a video doesn't have the option to duet it, it's probably because the creator turned off duets on that video. But that is how you duet videos on TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.